So this one, our new design. This one coming with the wheel to move from one place to other place. This one for the adjustment, so the wheel is free. And then this one just coming exactly in the center of the tire. So there is one light. Okay, so we start the button. So this one we can go for the function. Multi-language available. You can choose the language like this: Chinese, English, Russian, Spanish, Vietnam, Thai, Arabic. So we adjust the language English. So this one, the parameters. So first is the speed bump road mode. The second is flat road mode. The third is bumpy road and the modify road mode. So any can we can adjust. So first we go this one. First we go this one. So here start. So we can start this one. So it will rotate. We can increase the speed from here like this. So here the parameter are showing, and if we go the next, so we need to stop. So we go for the bump. If we go for the bump, we can adjust this one. So the speed is automatically coming here, then start up. So it will be the bump mode. So you can feel from where the noise is coming. See, from where the noise is coming. There is the different parameter for the car. You can see all is vibrating, which we cannot hear in the normal road. So we can trace here the noise. See, everything, bushat, every ball joint, everything we can see here. All the joint for the car we can trace here. So until the body mounting also. Okay. So the third option is we start. So we can go here the speed mode. So we can adjust this one. So this one will be fast mode. This is the fast mode. Even one tire, even two cars. So this one we can stop here. Okay, so we have one here light which we can see for every two machine. We have one lights, so we can see the place where exactly. And after finishing, you can go this one, just power off. So it will be finished. That's it. So this machine is coming with two machines with it, which is suspension and vibrating, and the two stand, which is you can change front side or back side. So these two machines which up and down, and this one the two stand, so you can put it in the front side or back side. So it's no issue, any place you can keep it. You can use the scissor lift, you can use also the two post lift, even you can use the 1 meter lift. Any lift you can use for this one, but not 4 post and long bed scissor lift. So only two options. You can use the scissor lift and 2 post lift. This machine is very useful, and the new technology, Ireland brand, and with the moving tire, any place you can move it. So this one for the adjustment. So the machine will not move from one place to the other whenever you want to diagnose the car. So you need to adjust this one, and after you can remove it. Okay. So thanks guys. Okay, Dato.
Dato, the legendary leader of automotive equipment.